Good morning children. So in the previous class we learned about multiplication of 2-digit number with 1-digit number without carry, right? So now we are going to learn multiplication of 2-digit number with 1-digit number with carry. Okay, so in addition you got carry. What you would do? You would take the tens place number to the next number. The same way here we are going to solve multiplication problem. Okay, so first you will write the question 26 multiplied by 3. Now first what you should do is you should multiply this right side corner number with the left side unit place number, right? So the 3 multiplied with 6. Now what you should do? You should start telling 3 tables till you get 6. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6, 3 threes are 9, 3 fours are 12, 3 fives are 15, 3 6 are 18. So 3 into 6 gives you how many? 18. Now you got 2 digits here, right? So what you should do is you should first write the unit number. In the unit place you have 8. You will write this 8 down. Okay, and then the tens place number, which is 1, you will write them as the carry in the top of next number, like you did in the addition. In addition you will be having numbers down, right? What you will do? You will write it on the top of next number. The same way here you are going to write it on the top of next number. Okay, now what you should do? You should multiply this 3 with the number before, which is 2. Okay, 3 twos are 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. So 3 twos are 6 and there is one carry, right, on the top. So you should add this one to this 6. So 6 in your mind, 1 in your finger. After 6, 7. So your answer is 26 multiplied by 3 is equal to 78. Okay, so I'll solve some more sums so that you will get familiar with the word. Now second sum is 38 multiplied with 2. So first what you should do? You should put a line down and then you should look into the number on the right corner. In the right corner you have 2 and you are going to multiply this 2 with the number in the unit place of the number before the cross. Okay, so you will multiply, this is multiplier and this is multiplicand. So you will multiply this multiplier with the unit digit of multiplier. So 2 multiplied with 8. 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6, 2 fours are 8, 2 fives are 10, 2 six are 12, 2 sevens are 14, 2 eights are 16. So 2 multiplied with 8 gives you how many? 16. So here you got 2 digits, right? So first what you should do is you should write the unit digit, unit number in the down, like always, and the tens place number should go to the top of the next number, which is 3. You will write here 1 as the carry. Now what you should do? You should multiply this 2 with 3. 2 threes are what? 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. So 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and carry is on the top. You should add this carry to the number whatever you got after multiplying. Here 2 into 3 is equal to 6 and there is one more unit on the top. So you will add that 1 to 6. 6 in your mind, 1 on your finger. After 6, 7. So your answer is 76. Okay, so third sum, you have 56 multiplied by 5. The same way, first what you should do? You should multiply the multiplier to the unit digit, unit place value of multiplicand. So 5 is multiplied with 6. 5 6 are 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6 are 30. So 5 into 6 is equal to 30. Which is the unit place? 0, right? So 0 you'll write down, and the tens place number is 3. 3 is your carry. Now what you should do? You should multiply the multiplicand with the number in the tens place. Okay, so 5 here you have and 5 here you have. So 5 into 5. 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. So you got 5 multiplied by 5 gives you 25. And there is 3 carry, right? So that 3 you should add. Now 5 is here and 3 is here. 5 plus 3. 5 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 is your answer and 2 you will write. So you got 28. What you should do is, you should write this 28 down. Okay, so your answer will be 56 multiplied by 5 is equal to 280. Okay, so there are 4 more sums, 6 more sums in the same way. Fourth sum you are going to multiply 23 into 9. So first what you should do, this is multiplier and this is multiplicand. So you will multiply this multiplier with the unit digit of multiplicand. So 9 into 3. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 9 3s are 27. So 9 into 3 gives you 27. Which is unit place value? 7. So 7 you will write here down, and then tens you will write it as the carry, 2 on the top. Now what you should do? You should multiply this 9 with 2. 9 1s are 9, 9 2s are 18. So 18 you got, and how many you have to add? 2 to that. So 18 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 18, 19, 20. So you got 20. 20 where you should put? Here. Okay. So there are 4 more sums, 5 more sums in the exercise 5.6 in page number 145 that you have to do as your homework and send it to me. Okay. Okay. So till now you have seen multiplication of 2-digit number with 1-digit number. Now what you are going to see is multiplication of 2-digit number with 2-digit number. Okay, shall we start? Now first, what you should do? You should write the question. 32 multiplied with 14. Okay, this like the previous question, what you should do first is, you should see the multiplicand. Here this is multiplier, and this is multiplicand. So whenever you multiply, what you will do? You will multiply from the rightmost corner, right? In the rightmost corner you have 2 numbers. One is unit, the next one is tens, right? So whenever you are multiplying, you will always start with units place value. Okay, this multiplier's unit place value, unit place number is multiplied with multiplier's unit place number. So 4 is multiplied with 2. 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, and you will write it down. Next one what you will do is, you will multiply this unit place number with multiplicand's tens place number. So 4 is multiplied with 3, like in the previous sum. You add only 1 and you multiply that with first unit place value number and then tens place value number. Here also you are taking the unit number first and you are multiplying first with the unit place value and then tens place value. So 4 3s are 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 4 3s are 12. 4 into 3 is equal to 12. What you should do? You should write that 12 down here. Now what you should do is, see, this one is over, the last number is over. So what you should do? You should cancel the last space, unit place value down. See, here this unit place number is over, right? So you are going to cross the unit place value down. Now where you are going to tens place value. So you will start writing with the tens place value. So first 1 is multiplied with the unit place number, which is 2. 1 2s are what? 2. Now this is over. So I will go to the number before. So 1 is multiplied with 3. 1 3s are 3. Now what you should do is, you should add them. Okay, first you have 8 here and down you have no number. So you can write 8 as it is. Now in the second you have 2 on the top and 2 down. So 2 in your mind, 2 in your finger. After 2, 3, 4. Here you have 1 on the top and 3 on the down. So 1 in your mind, 3 in your finger. After 1, 2, 3, 4. So your answer is 32 multiplied by 14 is equal to 448. Okay, so we'll see more sums in the next class. For now, finish 5 of the sums I gave you as the homework. See you in the next class. Bye.